This is a major shift, and it could open the doors for businesses that have been shut out of the financial system.
Hi everyone, I'm Mitzi Sullivan, CPA with Facts, Figures, and Fallacies from the front line.
President Trump just signed Executive Order 14331, and that's his debanking executive order. Debanking is where financial institutions deny services to people based on religious affiliation, a risky behavior. There are a lot of vague terms. This really kicked up in 2020, and it's just gotten out of control. So this executive order seeks to put an end to that. So let's look at what the executive order says. Banks can no longer use vague terms like reputation risk to deny services to certain customers. And these services may be just banking, checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, payment processing. If you accept credit cards, you need a payment processor. So this got to be an issue where certain businesses with risky behavior, and that may have been religious affiliations, it may have been gun sales. There were all sorts of reasons that were classified as risky behaviors, and those companies were denied banking services, loans, credit card merchant services, things like that. The executive order also instructs the Small Business Administration to identify where companies were denied services and reinstate those services. The SBA must identify and then reinstate services where it's been determined that they were unfairly denied access to those services. The executive order also affects regulators, so they are required to remove any kind of biased or vague language in the regulations for the banking industry. This is a major shift, and it could open the doors for businesses that have been shut out of the financial system. So if you were affected by debanking, reach out and let us know, and we will work with you to help you get reinstated. This is also just a great time to revisit your banking strategy. Make sure that you don't have all of your bank accounts, loan accounts in one bank. Be sure and download the text of the executive order so that you can read more about the details, and then add your comments or questions in the sections below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Facts, Figures, and Fallacies from the front line. Thank you for joining us.